She pull up, hop out, then she swerve. Do your two-step, your little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
I pull up, hop out, then I swerve. Do my two-step, my little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
Do your dance, girl, do your dance, girl. Is it me and you, or is you with your friends, girl? Is it you and them, or is we making plans, girl? Double up the coops, how is it, hers the bands, girl? She a 10, better tell her strike a pose.
Hey guys, and welcome back to Miss Shan's Shorty Recipes. Thanks again, you guys, for joining me for yet another quick and easy recipe. So today's recipe is going to be more on the traditional side. I'm going to go ahead and whip up some delicious oatmeal raisin cookies. So there's nothing new about oatmeal raisin cookies. You can go ahead and add different things to it if you want, but I went ahead and stuck the traditional way of just oats and raisins. So if you guys are fans of a delicious homemade oatmeal raisin cookie, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to drop me a comment down below. Share this video out. I always appreciate that. And if you are not subscribed, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button and the bell so you're notified of each and every time I drop a new video. So let's go ahead and get started.
I should let go.
Alright you guys, so these are my homemade oatmeal and raisin cookies. As I said before, you can put other variations such as nuts, maybe even some chocolate chips or like some butterscotch chips in there if you wanted to. But I stuck the old-fashioned way with just raisins and oats, and I think they turned out fabulous. Hopefully you guys did enjoy this wonderful cookie recipe. I definitely recommend you give it a try. They are soft and chewy and full of oatmeal raisin flavor. So go ahead, if you did enjoy the video, give me a thumbs up. Also, don't forget, you can drop me a comment down below. Let me know if you enjoyed the recipe. Share this video out. Share this video out. I always appreciate that, guys. And if you still aren't subscribed, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button and the bell so you're notified of each and every time a brand new video drops. You guys take care and thank you so much for watching.